Welcome to All About Cars. The 2025 Freightliner semi-truck represents the pinnacle of cutting-edge trucking technology, designed to meet the evolving needs of the modern transportation industry. This latest model seamlessly blends innovation, performance, and sustainability to ensure it stands at the forefront of the future of freight hauling. At first glance, the truck's sleek, aerodynamic design is captivating. Freightliner has meticulously sculpted this semi-truck to reduce drag, improving fuel efficiency and lowering emissions, a nod to the company's commitment to environmental sustainability. But it's not just about aesthetics. Every line and curve serves a purpose, optimizing airflow and delivering a quieter, smoother ride on the open road. Under the hood, the 2025 Freightliner boasts an advanced powertrain that offers multiple configurations, including traditional diesel engines and cutting-edge electric options. The electric variant, in particular, sets a new standard for clean transportation, providing zero emissions capability while maintaining the power and torque necessary to haul the heaviest loads. Paired with enhanced fuel economy and extended range, this truck ensures minimal downtime and maximum profitability for fleet owners. The interior of the Freightliner is nothing short of luxurious for a semi-truck. The spacious cabin, designed with driver comfort and convenience in mind, includes ergonomic seats, advanced climate control, and a suite of modern infotainment options. The digital dashboard integrates seamlessly with Freightliner's proprietary telematics system, giving drivers real-time feedback on performance, maintenance needs, and navigation. Safety is a top priority, and this model includes state-of-the-art features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system to ensure the safest driving experience possible. As the world moves towards a greener, more efficient future, the 2025 Freightliner semi-truck represents not just a vehicle, but a revolution in transportation. It's a testament to Freightliner's dedication to innovation, reliability, and sustainability, delivering excellence on every mile of the journey. Subscribe my YouTube channel and more interesting video. Thanks for watching.